pain in the wrist joint. Okay, so he's coming with a pain which is since maybe 1 week. He's having pain. Okay, we went to the doctor, orthopedician. Orthopedician has referred, please go to physiotherapist. Okay, he's coming to you. So what we should start, we have to introduce ourselves to the patient. Okay, so my name is so and so. Okay, I'm here to treat your problem. Okay, after that we should ask his file or the medical sheet which from the doctor he has come. Okay, in that file you can get what is the name of the patient, what is the age, what is the sex, from which place he is coming, what is the problem, from how many days he is having problem, all those details you will get. Okay, so if patient is not having any kind of file, then we should ask the patient, what is your name, what is your age, what is your problem, from when you are having this problem, for how many days, how it started, all those things we should ask. Okay, then after that, we should talk about what are general contraindications and local contraindications. So what are the general contraindications for electrotherapy modalities?
Infection.
Okay, infection.
High grade fever.
Pain.
Inflammation. Fever.
Paralysis.
So what is it?
Pain.
Pain is indication. He's already having pain. Understand what I'm talking? He is having pain. I am asking what are contraindications. Okay, cardiac. I am talking about there are general and local contraindications. First, we should talk about what are general contraindications. General means whole body, like high grade fever, any kind of cardiac problems, any kind of metal in the body,
renal,
any kind of kidney or renal problems, any kind of infections, any kind of infections, any kind of hypertension, any kind of X-ray therapy, previous X-ray therapy, all these comes under general contraindications. Now local contraindications. Local means now I have to give treatment here. Okay. Local contraindication, any kind of infections, any kind of open wounds with blood coming out, any kind of metal in the implants. Okay, any kind of acute burns, cuts, abrasions, any kind of skin infections. All those things will come under local contraindications. I am talking. Contraindication means if the patient is having these problems, we should not treat. Understood what I am talking? That is called contraindications. Whatever I said, all those things are general contraindications and local contraindications. So if your patient is having general contraindications or local contraindications, then I will be telling the patient, I can't treat you. Okay? If the patient doesn't have the general contraindications and the local contraindications, then we can go ahead. Then we can plan to treat the patient. Understand what I am talking? Okay? So it is very, very important before starting of the treatment, we should rule out general contraindications and local contraindications, which is very, very important. Once we have ruled out, the next step is that we have to prepare a tray which consists of towels, bed sheets, gel. Okay, all those things we have to prepare in a tray. Okay. Next is we have to prepare the apparatus. We have to prepare the apparatus. The apparatus is ultrasound. Okay. Prepare the ultrasound where you have to check the knobs, you have to check the wire, whether everything is connected or not. Check whether everything is proper. Okay, check the mains, the leads, all those things. Okay, so we have to check the apparatus. Next is apparatus testing. Testing means we have to on the machine. we have to on the machine, please. We have to on the machine and see whether it's working or not. Okay, we have to tell to the, I told the students, please put your mobile in silent mode, please. Don't distract. So, we have to explain the purpose, why I am giving this, what is this, okay, what I will be doing you, how I will be treating with you, okay, this is the ultrasound head, okay, I will be giving this kind of movements, okay. So, all those things we should explain all those things, put it in your pocket please. Yeah, all those things put it side somewhere. All those things we should explain to the model, okay. And after that, position of the patient. Position of the patient, okay, all these metal implants, all those, everything should be removed, which is very, very important, okay. The position of the patient should be comfortable. The position of the patient should be comfortable and relaxed. So for that, we can use some pillows. Pillows. So we can use 2-3 pillows. Okay. One more is there? One more pillow? Only one? Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. Even if you want, we can use Macintosh. Macintosh means? Macintosh means it will be like a plastic towel where you can put it down. No. Okay. So we can put that. Okay. Position of the patient is important. After that, we have to prepare the patient. What we are going to do, we have to explain the treatment, what is the use, all those things. Okay. After that, we have to, before starting the treatment, we have to give general instructions and warnings. Please, what are the instructions we should give? We should ask the patient not to fall asleep, not to move, not to touch any kind of equipments. What are the warnings we have to give? We have to tell the patient if he is feeling any kind of uncomfortable, if he is feeling any kind of burn or if any kind of heat more, we have to report it. Understood what I am talking? Then we have to start the treatment technique. In treatment technique, we have to select the appropriate method of treating the condition. He is coming with acute pain. Acute pain means is just 1 week, 1 week acute pain. So according to that, we have to set. So now we have to see the machine. Once we on the see, this is on-off button is here, but unfortunately it has stopped working. So as soon as you put, it will get on. You are getting what I am saying? There is a on-off button behind. Usually you put the wire, you can on it, then on it will start. But this machine has spoiled. The on-off button is spoiled. As soon as you put the wire, it will be on. For normal machines, which is in good condition, it will have, we can switch off and switch on from here. Okay, but it is spoiled. Okay, so this is the ultrasound machine. Okay, this is the called ultrasound head or transducer. Okay, this is the where we are going to treat the patient. Okay, so if you see here, we have therapy wizard. Please, we have therapy wizard, electrotherapy, ultrasound. So we have to treat. So this machine consists of other treatment also. Not only ultrasound, like electrical muscle stimulation, IFT, some other electrical modalities also is there. It is not only ultrasound. You are getting what I am talking? Yes. In this machine, it consists of electrotherapy. Electrotherapy includes IFT, TENS, muscle stimulation, all those things are there. Along with electrotherapy, ultrasound is also there. So you can see, so we have to round, we have to press here. Okay, we have to press here. Can you stop 1 minute? Okay, when you switch on the machine, you will get the screen like this. Okay. Usually on off button is behind, but it is spoiled. Okay. In this, I said we have there are different types of electrical modalities, but we want ultrasound for this patient. Ultrasound is third one. Okay. You just rotate ultrasound and press ultrasound. Understand what I'm talking? There is manual settings. Manual settings, press manual settings. Treatment time. What is the treatment time for acute cases? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Understood? 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, say that 6 minutes we are selecting. Okay, 6 minutes. Treatment time is 6 minutes. Ultrasound applicator, here it is A. Understood? It is connected to A. It is B. You can connect A or B. If you are connecting to B, how to change here? B. You are getting what I am talking? Here are two holes, which is A and which is B. So now it is connected to A. So set A. Ultrasound frequency 1 megahertz and 3 megahertz. 1 megahertz for deeper.
This is the 3.
You can say assume. I'm just saying. Say it's acute. It can be deep or it can be superficial. In case when I say when I'm pressing, he's saying I'm having pain in deep. Then I'll select. What I'll select? Yeah, I'll select 1. If it is, you say it's only superficial, then I'll select 3 megahertz. Okay, so we'll select 1 megahertz. Okay, ultrasound frequency is 1 megahertz for deep.
Yes.
Okay, duty cycle 100% means continuous, but is having acute. In acute, we should give pulse. You know pulse? Break. Okay, so you press duty cycle, say 50%. So 50% treatment will be there, 50% break will be there. Okay. So units should be watts per centimeter square. Okay. So after that, one of the important thing, before starting any kind of ultrasound treatment, gel is very, very important. Without gel, you should not increase the intensity. Please, I said please don't talk when I'm talking. Please. So many students are there. If 1%, 2% talk, it will be more noise. Not understanding. Okay, we have to put the gel. If you want to be comfortable, you can get a chair. You also can sit, because if you want to give for 10 minutes, you also should be comfortable. It's not only the patient should be comfortable, we being therapists also should be comfortable. So prior we can arrange a chair which is comfortable, where we can sit and treat. Okay, so once before starting, okay, so we have, this is called intensity press here and increase. Okay, for acute, what is the understood what I am talking?
what's the color? Orange color.
So this is, see, you can use circular, okay, or you can use round. Understood what I am talking? Okay, if you want to on it, important, you have to decrease the intensity and you have to take out. So please understand one thing, important thing. Please see, you should not increase the intensity unless until gel should be there and gel should be here. It should be touching the skin. Then you have to on the intensity and you have to increase. That is very important. And you should keep moving all the time. It should be circular. Circular means slow. Or it can be like this. Or it can be like this. Understood what I am talking? So always you should use gel. Okay? So you should not be at constant place. You should keep moving roundly, circular. Okay? If you want to off it, then we have to, automatically when the time comes, it will get off. If you want to off in between, make sure that you have to decrease the intensity, then switch off. Understood? After this now, say example, time is over.
Stop. What?
Yeah, say stop. Okay?
Before stop, low intensity.
Yeah, first you have to put 0 intensity. Okay? Then you have to go and stop the machine. Okay, this machine here stop is not working. Okay, again it will start. It's off. Okay? Understood what I'm talking? This is off. And take a cotton tissue paper. I will put a tissue paper. See, you have to take a tissue paper and you have to clean it properly. Understood? You have to put it back. Again, you have to check the area. Okay? Again, this is called termination. Termination means winding up, removing everything, putting 0, offing or putting the machine in the place, and asking the patient, when the next treatment, when he should come. All those things we should do for the patient. Okay, what treatment we have given, all those things we have to record in the chart. Okay, is it clear? You can go. You can go. You tell, what is your name? Tell him.
Nasr.
You can go. Yes. Okay, so the thing is that he has some work, he has taken permission. Okay, that's why I'm sending it. Okay, so we don't have any paper to clean.
Fine, go fine.
This.
No. You just wash and come. Wash and come. No, wash and come. So I just showed you because, so usually we should have tissue paper or any kind of cotton. Cotton is the best. You cotton, clean it, wipe it. Yeah. So this is the way how you can operate ultrasound. Now coming to what are the methods of ultrasound application? There are 3 methods. One is direct skin application, one is water bath method, one is gel method. What we have seen right now is direct skin application, because directly we are putting gel and we are putting this. It is called transducer head or ultrasound head. It's the same. It is called transducer or ultrasound head. From here the ultrasonic energy comes, acoustic energy comes. Understood what I am talking? So we should not use without gel, because when you use without gel, this acoustic mechanical things will not go inside the skin. It will repel back into this transducer. It will become useless. It will get spoiled. It will get damaged. So it is always important you have to use gel. Water bath method. Some of the parts in our body, like if you want to treat any kind of food, then we have to take a tub of water. Okay, we have to put the lower leg or upper limb inside the tub, and there you should not touch. It should be 1 centimeter away from the skin, and you should keep moving. That water is there, no, that will provide a medium to transfer the acoustic energy or the energy which is coming, mechanical energy from the transducer into the skin. You are getting what I am talking? This is called water bath method. But you can ask. See, now I am talking about water bath method. In water bath method, we have to take a tub of water, fill the tub with water, put the treatment limb inside the water, and take the ultrasound and it should not touch, it should be 1 centimeters away and it should keep moving.
Distance.
Inside the
Distance.
water. Inside or
Inside the water.
hit
inside.
But not
Inside the water, not outside, inside the water. Understand what I'm talking? That is water bath method. Okay, next is gel method. Gel method is very simple. What is gel method? The gel will be big one. You just put the gel. On top of the gel, you put this transducer and keep moving it. That is a gel pad. What I'm talking is not this gel. That is gel pad. It will be like a soap. You're getting what I'm talking?
So,
It will be like a soap. That is called gel. Okay. So these are the 3 methods commonly used in the treatment. But most of the time we use direct skin application. Most of the time we use direct skin application. So that means we should know what is the intensity, when you should give pulsed ultrasound, when you should give continuous ultrasound. Understood what I'm talking? Whether it is acute, subacute or chronic. There are 3 types. Acute means before 1 week or 10 days. Subacute means maybe 2 weeks to 4 weeks. Understood what I'm talking? Subacute. Chronic means old.
1 month or
More than 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. That is
subacute pulse or continuous.
see, for acute and subacute you should give pulse. Okay? For chronic you should give continuous. And you should know frequency. 1 megahertz for deep structures. 3 megahertz for superficial. Okay? This and intensity. For acute it is 0.1 to 0.3. For subacute it is 0.2 to somewhere 0.5. For a chronic 0.3 to 0.8. Understand what I'm talking? So again I show you intensity. Everything what I am speaking is there in the PowerPoint blackboard. You are getting what I am talking? I'll show you the intensity. Oh, it's working.
The skin is volume. It's good.
Again I am showing you. Please look here. So important thing, don't increase the intensity without putting gel. You're getting what I'm talking?
First,
Put gel, put here ready. Okay, then keep, just increase. I'll show you one more time. Okay. So we want ultrasound therapy. Press manual settings. Press treatment time. It's up to you, 5 minutes, 6 minutes.
5.
You can put. Okay. Then ultrasound applicator A or B. Ultrasound frequency. If you want to change, you can change. Duty cycle 100% continuous. You want to pulse.
50.
Okay. Units watts per centimeter square. Okay. See here it is important. Now we have to put the gel. Here put the gel. For increasing the intensity, you have to press this button. Understood? See 0.00 watt per centimeter square. Understood what I am talking?
Yes.
So if you increase, means the intensity will increase. Understood what I am talking? We have to increase the intensity and should keep moving. Make sure that gel should be there.
touch the skin.
Yes.
Touch the skin with gel. Gel is important.
First.
Without gel, no.
بالوتر
In the water and all will not reach.
distance
Where?
and water.
Water will not reach. I just said. Usually treatment happens in directly only. The methods I said. Usually the common method is direct skin application.
Doctor, intensity, how much?
That's what no for chronic. 0.8 maximum or 1 below 1. Below 1. It is acute 0.2 to 0.3. It is there in the blackboard. I have put everything. There is no need to worry about it. Okay. For subacute 0.3 to 0.5. Understood what I am talking? So these things are important. Did you hear what I am saying?
Yes.
Okay. So one of the important things in ultrasound, everything positioning is important. I can ask you, your patient is having pain in the shoulder joint. Your patient is having pain in the elbow joint. Your patient is having pain in the knee joint, wrist joint. One of the important thing, the ultrasound head is there. We can't treat a bigger area. We can treat only small area. Say example, he's having pain here, I can treat. Okay, he's having pain here, I can treat. Shoulder is having pain here.
Just joint. Muscle.
Anywhere tenderness, trigger points, but it should be small. If you can I lift? Say example, if this patient is coming, he's having back pain here, I can't give. You're getting what I'm talking? Please see here, I'm telling for you only. If he's coming for, say example, I have only pain here, then I can give. If he's saying that I am having whole pain here, I can't give ultrasound. Tender point, another trigger points, small areas, then only I can give ultrasound. In neck, I am having pain here, then we can give ultrasound. In lumbar region, in center, I have one point, pain, I can give ultrasound. If area is large, we should not give, we can't give. Because the head of the ultrasound is small. It's very small. Understand what I'm talking?
Yes.
So these things you should keep in mind. Okay? One of the important advantages is that basically ultrasound energy is more absorbed by bone, cartilage, tendons, deep structures. Yeah, the absorption is more for bone, tendons, okay, for any kind of ligaments. Say example, if people will be playing football, ligaments will get damaged, injured, pain, then we should give ultrasound. Understand what I am talking? So these are the indications, any kind of tendinitis, any kind of small inflammation, any kind of trigger points, any kind of tender points. For example, I am having a pain, I can give, not only joints. Understand what I am talking?
Yes.
Okay, so I can ask, your patient is having pain in the ankle, give ultrasound. So one of the important things, you should know how to position the patient in a comfortable way. So these are the things I'll be asking in your exam. Shoulder pain, elbow pain, wrist joint pain, ankle pain, knee pain, ligament pains, leg pain. Okay, so people should be ready to how to position, how to treat. Understand what I'm talking? You have any questions, any queries?